Hey everyone, Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at the SmartKey door handle covers in chrome fitting 2019 and newer Silverado and Sierra 1500 crew cabs, as well as 2020 and newer Silverado and Sierra 2500 and 3500 crew cabs. Now these covers are a great way for the Silverado or Sierra owners out there to give their truck a cool extra dose of flash. If you're a fan of chrome or just want a simple way to cover up those plain old door handles, these are going to appeal to you. They're also really simple to install and they don't require you to spend a ton of money. While some out there want to delete all of the chrome, others prefer to add a little bit. Personally, I like a little extra flash on a truck. It's a classic look that harkens back to the trucks of old, and if you like that, a small but meaningful addition can be a set of chrome door handles. Now, rather than replacing them, wrapping them, or doing something else to make that happen, these are a simple and easy way to get the look you want without a ton of fuss. Essentially, these are going to stick right over top of your existing door handles. They even have a provision for the SmartKey keyless entry buttons on the handles as well, so you don't lose any functionality there, and you get that classic look you're after. Now, you might have noticed that this is a 6-piece kit. Why? Well, 4 of these have the provision for the SmartKey buttons, while the other 2 do not. So if your truck doesn't have the buttons on all 4 doors, you can still get these fitted and have them look just right. Now these again are going to essentially be a peel and stick setup, and they fit perfectly over the factory handles, no fuss, no muss. That also means they're easily removable should you want to change things up or return the truck to stock at some point down the line. Each cover is made from ABS plastic and of course is finished with that chrome over top. And the ABS material means that these are going to wear quite well. They're also light and durable. So they should be able to stay on your truck for some time to come. They're also very impact resistant, so if you catch the handle on something, you don't have to worry about them shattering or cracking. Now on the back sides, like I mentioned, there are pieces of automotive grade double-sided tape to keep them in place, again making for an easy install. We'll talk more about that in a moment. When it comes to the price, this kit is going to run you about $100, which makes it a pretty affordable modification, and it's certainly less than trying to replace or even wrap full handles. And I make no bones about the fact that I am a big fan of anything that is $100 or less, so if you like the look here, I really don't think you can go wrong. Installation gets a very easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the whole job should only take you about 30 minutes. Just make sure you get your handles on the truck very clean first so these have the best stick possible. Then you're just going to peel and stick them right on. You can even use the included adhesion promoter if you want to make sure these are not going to come off. And to show you that process now, let's hand things over to one of our AT customers.
Today we're going to be installing the chrome door handle covers on a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado. I think these covers fit 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado. Got a razor blade here just to pull the red tape off the sticky tape, make it easier. Got all the red cover off the sticky tape. Walk around here and we're going to stick it on. This is not the one with the thumb unlock, so it goes on the back door. It snaps on like so. And just repeat it on all 4 doors.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of these SmartKey door handle covers in chrome, fitting 2019 and newer Silverado and Sierra 1500 crew cabs, as well as 2020 and newer Silverado and Sierra 2500 and 3500 crew cabs. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Silverado and Sierra, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.